Students, today we are going to learn a new story of a man named Robinson Crusoe. So, if you are adventurous enough, you will truly love to learn about Robinson Crusoe. In our textbook, a very small part of life story of Robinson is adapted from a novel which was published in the year 1719, and it was written by author Daniel Defoe. Okay, so this novel, actually people thought that it is based on fiction or imaginary stories, but no, it is based on true incidents of Robinson Crusoe. So you will actually love to learn about him because it's a truly adventurous story and a true based on true incidents, right? I want you to know more about Robinson, right? Because the challenges that he faced in life, there's much to learn about from him. So as a child, Robinson was a very naughty kind of child, and he always wanted to live on his own conditions. So mostly he disobeyed his parents. Okay, his parents loved him a lot, and like every other parents, but he since he wanted to live on his own conditions, he was like a disobedient child. Okay, what he wanted to do is Robinson was very fond of sea journey. Okay, he wanted to wander the whole world through sea. He was very fond of sea, traveling through sea, across the sea. But his parents always disallowed him to do so because they thought that it was dangerous, right? Because during earlier days, waterways, okay, transportation through waterways was the main mode of transportation. People used to travel from one country to another through waterways only. You must be knowing that Britishers also entered our country through by waterway. Okay, and America, America was discovered by Alexander. Okay, America was just a small island, so it was discovered by Alexander. Now America is a big country. So people used to like travel that days through sea. They were very fond of discovering new things, right? To fulfill his dream, Robinson just ran away from his home, and with one of his friends and some crew members, he joined a ship and went for a journey. While coming back, what happened? Some pirates they captured him, okay, and they kept him on an isolated island for about 8 years. Okay, so for about 8 years he was on that as a slave. He was on that island. So somehow after 8 years he tried to escape from that island, and then he went to Brazil. In Brazil, he worked very hard. Then he owned a sugar plantation, and he became a wealthy person. Now again he wanted more fame. He wanted to earn more money. So again, now he was a wealthy man, right? So with some of his servants and few members, again he set off for a journey, okay, in search of some other island or place. So what happened here is, again what happened, his ship got caught in the rough storm and his ship destroyed. And you will be amazed to know that only Robinson Crusoe was alive. Okay, otherwise all the crew members, all his members and servants, everyone died. Okay, were drowned in the sea. But only somehow Robinson Crusoe managed to come to the shore, and he was all alone, alive from the entire crew members. Now when he was on the shore, okay, he came to an island, and you will be surprised to know that it was an isolated island, and nobody had ever came on that island. It was remote, very remote, and an isolated island. So Robinson was quite marooned into that island. And then the further part, what actually happened on that island one day, that we are going to learn in the textbook. Okay, so Robinson Crusoe was all alone on that isolated island for about 20 years. Okay, he was all alone on that island, and what all incidents happened with him. Okay, from that a small means one day what happened actually with him, that we are going to learn in this lesson. One day when Robinson was just was out in search of food, one day he noticed a footprint. Okay, so he was actually very scared because he knew that the island was isolated and nobody had ever come here. So, and the footprint also did not match his own footprint. So what actually happened with him, we are going to learn in this lesson. One day, when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could find no other footprint but that one. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints and to tell if it had been my imagination. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of a foot, toes, heel, every part of a foot. I could not imagine how it came there. I stayed a long time thinking but became more and more confused. Of course, any person will get scared because since the island was isolated, not a single person was there. It was not inhabited. So how could a footprint he could see, and he got very scared of it. He was actually very frightened. At last I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. Okay, he was so scared after looking at that footprint that even a bush of the tree or even a shadow, he was mistaking and he was assuming to be as that man. Okay, footprint it was. When I came to my cave, which I called my castle, I ran inside it as if I was being chased. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or I went it by the hole in it. Now, so Robinson Crusoe, for long 20 years he was alone on the island. So he learned many new things, okay, in the island. Like he became a good craftsman. He could make a boat for himself. He means many new techniques he learned to live in the island. So Robinson Crusoe was actually a great survivor because he learned to hunt, he learned to live among the wild animals, he learned to make different tools, okay, which he already he was not knowing it. But then when in order to survive, he learned all these things on his own. He learned to grow crops so that he can have good food to eat, right? So many new things he learned on the island. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. I did not sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. I thought it could be one of the savages of the mainland who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. Okay, what Robinson thought that maybe that footprint could be one of the savages. Savages means the wild men of primitive state. Wild men means primitive state means people in the earlier state, like Stone Age man, you can say, they were actually wild. They were not civilized. They were not cultured. Okay, they were untamed. They were just like wild animals. So maybe he thought maybe there's a wild man, okay, savages living on this island, and this wild man could easily kill him. Okay, that's why he was so frightened. Further he says, luckily I was not on shore at that time. But what if he had seen my boat? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and will soon return with others to kill and eat me. So just looking at the footprint, Robinson was very scared. But maybe it might be, it may not be. And so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. Okay, he was very frightened, but still he used to go out to investigate about the footprint. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I became a little bolder. I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprint once more. I decided to measure it with my own footmark. Closer. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed larger than my own. So my fear returned. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. So students, Robinson Crusoe came to the conclusion that the island was inhabited. Inhabited means somebody already lived there. It was occupied by, it was dwelled by people. Okay, so maybe he because of his fear he might started thinking that maybe the wild men are still on that island, but I don't think so. Maybe he would have discovered that footprint of the primitive man. Okay, like many people discover many new things, many people discover new creatures. Okay, so Robinson Crusoe on that day he had discovered the footprint of the primitive man. All enjoyed this adventurous story of Robinson Crusoe, and if you want to know more about him, you can there are many videos of Robinson Crusoe on YouTube. You can upload that video and just check out his entire story. You'll like that story a lot. It's very interesting and adventurous, right? Okay, so in my next video we'll be solving the answers, question and answers, and also the activity based on this lesson.